Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi A4 Saloon Sport. The car's got the xenon headlights with the LED daytime running lights with the front and rear parking sensors. As we move around to the side of the vehicle, we have the 17-inch wide-spoke design alloy wheels with the chrome surrounds on the exterior windows. And as we move to the rear of the vehicle, we also have the single polished chrome exhaust, and this is the TDI Ultra, so you will benefit from high miles per gallon. Now this is an Audi used approved vehicle, so you will get the 145 point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car has the heated exterior mirrors with the electronic rear child locks, the black and red cloth interior front sport seats, automatic headlights and wipers with a 3-spoke leather multifunctional steering wheel, Audi's MMI display with 3-zone digital climate control and a 6-speed manual gearbox. If you'd like any more information on this Audi A4, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.